Sheesh, are we ever going to get a green day, guys? I mean, I'll take it. More buying opportunities for me, but holy smokes, man. We're getting hit again on Nvidia stock. It's down 1.4%. We're falling through 110 right now, and every index in the U.S. stock market is getting demolished, guys, as the VIX is up 5%. So we have to go over what I did today with Nvidia, my thoughts on the charts. We'll break down the indexes later and other stocks if we have time. But first, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 100K subs here, guys. And get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account using that link right down below, you get 5 free stocks. Well, after an $100 deposit, once you deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks. So if you want 30 free stocks, guys, and you want to help out the channel, since it is an affiliate link, and oh, by the way, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. If you want to take advantage of this, use the link down below or go to stocks.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it, man. So another red day so far for the stock market, for Nvidia stock. And man, it pump faked us, did it not? Classic pump fake in the morning. We opened up at 111, shot to 113 at about, what time was that? 9:50. So in the first 20 minutes of trading, we popped to 113. It was looking all, nice and dandy, sunshine and rainbows at that point. And then, boom, we got nailed. The downtrend started kicking in again. We got rejected at this, 5-day, 5-minute trend line. And here we are at 108.96. We're back to under $110 here, I think, for the first time in weeks. I mean, when's the last time we were under? Okay, no, we did hit 109, 108, 109 on the 4th of this month, so a couple of days ago. But other than that, guys, we have not been at this level here for a good couple of months. Man. It's been what? Since September, August? I mean, holy smokes, guys. We've almost erased. I mean, we have erased about what? 5-6 months of gains here on the stock. I mean, it ran from 100 to 150 over the span of, let's see, September to about January, early January, and now we're all the way back down to 100, 110. So for me, you guys know I'm bullish Nvidia. I might have made a little bit of a degenerate options trade a couple of days ago, right? I bought some calls. We covered that in my video, I think, yesterday or the day before. That might have been a little degenerate. I'm still holding those calls. I'm down a little bit on them, but they expire in July. There could be, a chance, I think a decent chance we, get in the green on those. And today, guys, I bought more shares. At $107, I think 75 cents is where I got filled a little, give or take. I got to look at my order after this video. I probably should have done it before the video, but yeah, I threw some more money in the brokerage accounts, added more here on this, big dip, and now we're rebounding. It's funny how that works. Obviously, it's not a short-term trade. It's for a long-term investment, adding to my long-term investment. And now it's starting to rebound a little bit on the intraday. And my plan here is, guys, if it falls back down, which it might just do that. It's definitely possible with how the markets have been. If Nvidia comes back down to the low hundreds, especially under 100, that's where I'm looking to buy my next batch of shares. And I might go even bigger on that, buy there. I haven't bought Nvidia shares, I think, in like a week or two. I'm pretty sure I added in the 115s or maybe a week ago. I forget exactly when the last time I bought shares. Again, I bought those calls recently. Last time I bought shares, it must have been about a week or two ago. But the lower it gets, the heavier I'm going to go at these lower prices. Let me actually pop up their price to earnings ratio right now on an updated basis. I mean, it's got to be in the mid to low 30s now, right? With the stock collapsing the way it is. But what are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments as I pull this up here. And you might as well join the email list. It's free, and I send out my top stocks right to your inbox every single week. Might as well get in there, guys. Again, it's free, and it's linked right down below. So let me pop up Nvidia here on Yahoo Finance if it wants to freaking load. I need a new computer, guys. I mean, my battery on this laptop, it's said it's been saying it needs service for the last couple of months or longer than that. Geez, and I just haven't done that. I have a 2020 MacBook Pro with the M1. I think I've mentioned that before here on the channel. So it might be time for an upgrade. Business expense. Why not? Why not? I'm thinking about it. I'm probably going to pull the trigger on it, and then these videos will probably move smoother, a lot more smoothly, whatever. PE ratio right now is 30. Imagine it was 3. 37, guys. 37 trailing 12-month price to earnings ratio, right? The market cap is $2.65 trillion. At one point, it was what? 3.5? 3.3, 3.4, whatever the heck it got to. Now we're down to 2.65. Again, PE is a 37. So the forwards got to be in the high 20s now, right? Or maybe lower than that. Maybe mid-20s. Jeez, guys. If it's mid-20s, that's going to be unbelievable. Let's see if it wants to load here, guys. I don't want these beauty ads. What the heck's going on here, man? Why are they targeting me? What is going on here? Yeah, the forward PE. Oh my goodness, guys. Forward PE is a 25. I mean, come on. This is unreal. There are stocks out there, right, that are not growing at all, that are trading at a forward P of 25, at a trailing of 37. There are stocks that literally have barely any growth trading at these types of multiples. So for the fact that Nvidia is trading at these levels when they're growing 110% revenue growth year over year, I'm pretty sure. The quarter they just reported for, I think that was the full year number, if I'm not mistaken. I could double check that right here. I'm pretty sure, right? Either way, yes, their growth is projected to slow down. That's maybe a reason why the stock's falling as well. But last year's growth was unbelievable, right? And they're still growing nicely for the size of the company they are, and again, for the multiple that they have right now. I mean, guys, look, current year, they're projecting sales growth of 56% year over year. That is very good still, again, for the size of this company, for the multiple it's trading at. So for me at this point, man, maybe that options trade was a little bit degenerate. It is what it is, but I'm gobbling up shares. I'm gobbling up shares pretty much every week, every other week. And now that it's down, in the last month, as much as it's down, I'm going to be buying even more, more often. That's the plan. And once we start reversing, I'm just going to hold on to my shares. That's the goal here, man. So I'm going to just periodically continue buying here, especially under $100, but for now, man, that's what I'm doing. And it's rallying now, funny enough. Good timing on that buy for me, man. 107.75, 107.80 in that ballpark. Now we're pushing 110 again. And the markets are actually slowly starting to turn, which is good. You guys see SPY here starting to rally a bit, although it's still in a downtrend on the intraday. Maybe if we break out of here, this could spark an even further rally into close. That'd be great. I mean, if these indexes could somehow go green into close today, it might be tough, but if they can somehow pull that off, that would be awesome. That'd be ideal. Just a great way to end the week, considering it's just been a bloodbath, right? So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube on the main channel. Check out my second channel. I just dropped a video yesterday going over how Gen Z and millennials are toast in this housing market. It's a different type of channel, guys. That is linked down below. I'll catch you guys there, and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. Get on it. Use that link down below, or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.